road with my family.
Yeah, because world, you feel me?
This is the elevator I take every day. I usually press 2.
Deuce 22.
But I told my man to fix it, like the maintenance man's coming soon.
Rest in peace, we ain't even making it.
That's where I keep all my plaques.
See, I didn't hang them up yet.
Yeah. So I usually put them on the ground, but since we have people over, I want to clean up. And, the music room.
We got 10.
Here's screen printing.
All I want is like 10 bathrooms. I could all day.
Yeah. I even had a class open in the school too. So this is like the kindergarten class and daycares.
Damn, your battery's dead.
I know. I'll That's the bathroom there. And,
oh, word?
Yeah.
I'm about to hit that up right now. I ain't even putting the camera down, bro.
Oh, that's kind of better. I'm so glad I didn't bring my stands because I didn't think I would need it.
Yeah.
Dude, you look good. Let me see you. Let me see you. Oh, this battery's dying too.
No. I got a battery on mine.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
That's what happens when we matching and whatnot have you.
I just pretty much got it for a backup for you.
Shit. All right, we're setting up lights. We're setting up lights and doing my thing. Doing the thing. Doing the damn thing. About to squat in. We're about to make it.
Follow BKO on Instagram.
BOKK Wallace.
You feel me?
Do it.
Doing everything. We out here.
Alright, my guys, that is it. I appreciate it. Super successful weekend. I'm thoroughly happy with the turnout of the show. I think the tattoo came out pretty clean and a nice solid job. Chris wanted something super simple, but yet has some detail, and that was his main vision. The vision was to have something simple but have detail in it, and I tried to portray that with kind of like just the right amount of detail. And I think we did a pretty good job. I'm super excited. So in trying to prep for fashion shows, they take so much just attention, and over the past couple, I guess, weeks, I've just been solely focusing on trying to get ready for the show, get everything prepped, make sure everything's in line, and that's kind of where we're at. So gotta get back on it. Right now, I'm just pretty much prepping for end of November. We're going to be releasing a new collection, and I have a new idea of how I want to tackle this year as far as clothing and everything and how to obtain this store. At least I am making some progress. Just hustling, just staying focused, just hustling, really going after it. It's really cool. Every week that goes by, I get closer and closer to accomplishing this goal of opening this store and trying, on my way, like literally just on my way. So I'm thoroughly thankful for you guys. Thank you for your support. With that, guys, I love you so much. I have some work to do because I have to edit some videos and pretty much just get ready for next week's tattoo is pretty cool. It's a coilover piece on someone's leg with like floating in clouds and really cool like spacey sky. And I finished the design I think last week, and I'm super pumped for it. I can't wait to throw down and get that one done. So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good one. I'm just like every week something, trying to get the work done, and I think the new collection is coming along very well. I sat with my one buddy and we kind of ran through the collection together, and I just want to get other people's opinions. And I have like a creative circle between Kenny and my buddy Eric and Monica. I just kind of, it's like, I show them my ideas, and I kind of like, what happens if I take this way? What da. So I'm super pumped. But all right, guys, I love you guys. Happy freaking Wednesday. Holla at your boys. I'm back to filming on my gangster camera. I need to film with this thing more. It's so much better than my little guy. I love my little guys because it's super convenient, but all right, I gotta get work done. I love you guys. Till next time, holla at your boy.